How to fix Dragon Age Inquisition won't launch. This is a common issue that many players have faced, and there are several possible solutions that you can try. Here are some of them. Disable Origin in-game. This is a feature that allows you to access Origin features while playing the game, but it may also cause conflicts and prevent the game from launching. To disable it, right-click on the game in your Origin library, select Game Properties, and uncheck the box that says Enable Origin in-game for Dragon Age Inquisition. Repair the game files. This is a function that checks and fixes any missing or corrupted files that may affect the game. To do this, right-click on the game in your Origin library, select Repair Game, and wait for the process to complete. Run the game as administrator. This is a way to grant the game the necessary permissions to run properly. To do this, go to the game folder, usually C:\program files, x86, /origin games /Dragon Age Inquisition, right-click on the game executable, Dragon Age Inquisition.exe. Select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Update your graphics drivers. This is a step that ensures that your graphics card can run the game smoothly and without errors. To do this, go to the website of your graphics card manufacturer, such as NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, download and install the latest drivers for your model, and restart your computer. For newbies, try using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.